Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On the menu today we have spaghetti and I tried out a new recipe. I made spaghetti using coconut milk and this recipe is a hit. I hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. I'll begin by preparing my coconuts. You already know this is the star of today's recipe. And here I have my shelled, nicely chopped and properly washed coconuts. I'll proceed to transfer into my blender, add enough water to turn the blades of the blender properly. And I'll blend until it is nice and ready. To cut out the stress of extracting the coconut milk yourself, you can always get your coconut milk from the store or the supermarket. But nothing beats freshly squeezed coconut milk. There are no additives, no preservatives, and you know exactly what you're getting. And the taste is just different. I'm done blending the coconut and it's time to strain out the milk. I transfer the coconut into my cheesecloths and I'll use my hands to squeeze out every last drop of coconut milk from this. The coconut milk is ready and it's time to get into the cooking action. I've just gone in with a little amount of cooking oil. I let that heat up before adding my chopped onions, which I'll stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, and this is what it's looking like. It's ready to accept my tomato paste, which I've just added. I'll use my spoon to break this up and I'll continue to fry until it is nice and ready, until it loses some of its tangy taste. I'm frying on low heat, so this should be ready in about 3 to 4 minutes. And you know this is ready when you see the oil separate or when it starts floating on top of it. The tomato paste is properly fried and ready to accept the next ingredients, which is my pepper mix. Once added, I'll stir that in until well incorporated and I'll continue to fry. I'll let the stew fry and then move on to prepare my spaghetti. I have a pot of water boiling over here. I'll add my spaghetti inside, season with some salt and boil. I'm using 1.5 pack of spaghetti and I'll let this to boil for about 6 minutes. It will continue cooking when I mix it together with the sauce. I don't like soggy spaghetti, so parboiling for 6 minutes is okay. I'll immerse the spaghetti into the pot of boiling water so everything cooks evenly because my pot is not so wide, and I'll let this cook for about 6 minutes. Back to the sauce. It's coming on nicely and ready to accept my seasoning. I went very easy with the seasoning. I added all-purpose seasoning, curry powder, seasoning cubes, and some salt. But feel free to season with your favorite spices. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. It shows you're enjoying the recipe. Please do well to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that. It means a lot to me and it would signal to YouTube to share out the video to a wider audience. So please hit the like button. Thank you. If you enjoy watching short videos, kindly check out my YouTube shorts here on YouTube. I'm also active on other social media platforms. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And the name to search for is Oge Anyoku on all platforms. Kindly check out my pages, watch my videos, like, share, comment, just do all the good stuff. I'm counting on you. Thank you. I've just added my coconut milk, which is the main ingredient for today's recipe, and I'm stirring that to combine properly. I'll cover the pot and allow it to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. So this is what my spaghetti is looking like. This is 6 minutes later and this is what we have here. You can tell it's not soggy. This is how it should be. This is how I like my spaghetti. The final step of this recipe is to transfer the spaghetti into the sauce. So this is what the sauce is looking like and it's time to accept my spaghetti. I just have to transfer the spaghetti inside, mix it properly, and we are good to go. To my amazing and returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch me. You all are simply amazing. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for the likes, the shares, the comments. You guys are truly, truly the best. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time today, hello, my name is Oge. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber and this is the place to be if you enjoy trying out new food recipes. I make cooking easy, and I have lots of delicious recipes on my channel that you want to try out. So please, we'd love to have you join us. So click on the subscribe button to be a part of us. Turn on post notifications to be notified of new videos, and you're welcome on board. Please go through the channel to check out other amazing recipes that I have on here. I promise you get value for your time. Thank you. I'll mix this properly, cover the pan, and I'll let it cook on low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. And this is it for this recipe. Very easy, like I promised you. We've come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Share with us in the comments section. Have you tried making spaghetti with coconut milk? What was the outcome? Did you love it? Let us know down in the comments. Please like the video to get it to a wider reach. Share it out to your family and friends. Leave me your comments. If you have any questions for me, please drop them in the comments section. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for stopping by, and I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.